Hello, we're in St Leonards today and we're in a wonderful apartment called The Gables, which is on Pevensey Road. It's so close to the centre of St Leonards and to the seafront. This was built as a family home for a doctor in St Leonards, and it's very much in the arts and crafts style, and it's been beautifully converted into several apartments, but this is the biggest. This is the Glory apartment within the building. This is a really impressive apartment. I do call it an apartment rather than a flat because it seems so gracious. The lovely thing about this is it's an arts and crafts building, and it's retained so many of its features. It's got huge windows with lots of sunshine coming in. It's a really big apartment. It's got 3 rooms, 2 of which are used as bedrooms at the moment. One of which is currently used as a dining room, but could be a 3rd bedroom. The main bedroom is just so pretty, so impressive, and it has its own ensuite bathroom. There's a separate bathroom with a lovely bathtub right by the window, so you can sit and soak with the sunshine coming in. And there's a very pretty private balcony which steps out from the kitchen, so it's a perfect place for your morning coffee or your evening cocktails. You have to look up in this apartment because there's a exquisite detailing on the ceiling, very much in the arts and crafts manner, and the ceiling heights are incredibly impressive. It's a very gracious place. It's a real pleasure to be here.